lesson is on how to use Gallon Man to convert customary measurements such as gallons, quarts, pints, and cups. We can use our body as a template for Gallon Man. Notice we have one torso. That is the gallon. It's a little hard to see there. And remember, Gallon Man has no head. Now we have a head here, but we can ignore that as far as converting measurements. So Gallon Man has no thumbs, so we can take those out. And if that's true, he has 4 fingers. And he has no toes, so it means there are 4. So if you'll notice over here, he has 4 fingers on each hand and 4 toes on each foot. All right. So, and then we also need to know that he has fingernails, and those are equal to 8. So let's see how we can use Gallon Man to convert measurements. All right. So we can, and also let's point out that there's one big solid bone here, here, and here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 solid bones. 1, 2, 3, 4 solid bones. And then there are 2 smaller bones connected to those bones, just like there are 2 pints in a quart, 2 pints in a quart, 2 pints in a quart, 2 pints in a quart. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are going to represent the quarts. That's Q. And then these represent pints. Remember, the torso represents the gallon. And the toes represent cups. And the fingers also represent cups. And then there are also the 8-ounce fingernails. Those are ounces at the end of each of the fingers and toes, ounces. Okay, so that is the correspondence there. So you can use your body. So how many pints is there in a gallon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pints in 1 gallon. So let's take a look at some of these. They're asking about pints and cups. In 1 pint, there are how many cups? Let's take a look. 1 pint right here, and there are 2 cups in 1 pint. And it says 2 pints. How many quarts? Well, 2 pints, and there is 1 quart. 2 pints equals how many cups? 2 pints, 1, 2. And there's 2 cups in each pint, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cups in 2 pints. So let's get a little harder here. 1 gallon equals how many cups? Well, here's 1 gallon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 16. There are 16. Okay? So let's go a little harder, and let's find out how many gallons there are in 16 cups. Well, that's not any harder. It's the same answer. 1 gallon equals 16 cups. And so they're just making us go backwards there. So quarts to gallons, cups to pints. Pretty much you can just take a look here. And so in 3 quarts, 1, 2, 3 quarts, how many pints are there? Well, there are 2, 4, 6 pints in 3 quarts.